Hi families, I wanted to show you what my home virtual page looks like. So I'm going to have to move my face around to let you kind of see. But if you look at each part of this page, you will find different links that are interactive that you or your child can use. Right over here is more of the parent side. So if you click here, it will take you to a Country Heights page, and it'll like information. If you click here, you can email me directly, and if you click here, right there, that is the that is my web page that's titled Corum Corner. So that's just a more information with the Corum Corner. I've used that for a few years. Over here, you see there's my little Bitmoji waving. That's me. It says click here to explore our learning. So we have three options here on our bookshelf: Miss Lisa, Miss Giggle, and then the butterfly. The butterfly matches with Miss Marley's lessons. So first we're going to look at Miss Lisa's. If you click on Miss Lisa, it takes you directly to Miss Lisa's reading corner. So, and then there's Miss Lisa right there. She's reading. And so all of these books are some books that she has recorded for us in ASL. You can choose a book, click, and it'll take you directly to the YouTube of her reading it. And it's taken a little bit of time for it to load, but there we are. She's reading it. So I'm going to X off of that and go back to my home page right here. So now you know that if you click on Miss Lisa, you get to have reading time with Miss Lisa. Miss Lisa's reading corner. If you click on Miss Giggle, this will take you to our foundations page. All the things that we are learning in our preschool curriculum for deaf and hard of hearing. So typically, I'm going to move my picture down a little bit. Typically, we have a story that we read, an activity that we do, and we teach sounds and words through those activities. So these are like my main parts of the lesson. For a few weeks, we will not have sounds. We don't teach the sounds until the Unit 5. So we do have some words. So if you see a blank, then that means it's not there. The links are not active yet on these. However, there will be a link for a story. Whenever we teach the sounds, you could click here to learn those sounds. When we learn new words, you can click there to see those words signed. And the same goes down here for these. This is more interactive for your child. So they can click here and go see the song. So I'm going to do that. This is ours. I'm going to move myself. That is the song that matches the Unit 1. And it's going to Miss Giggle. So it matches our story, takes you directly there, and then your child can watch and sing along or sign along with the reader. I'm going to exit off of that one more time. These other activities are going to be, they're going to be videos of me or Miss Lisa or possibly other teachers who have taught Foundations for Literacy as well. And these are all activities that we would typically do in the classroom. So you and your child can just click on them and explore. And I plan to have these things up and running by Sunday for the coming week. So that way you can do it throughout the week. You can do it daily, whichever is up to you. Just remember to go to my home page. Then you can click on Miss Giggle, and that'll take you to this page where you can explore and kind of play around and learn. I'm going to go back to my home page. There I am. If you click on the butterfly, that takes you to another page. And this is our connection with our preschool learning in Miss Marley's class. So typically in Miss Marley's class, we have a letter of the week. A letter, we're learning the sounds in her room as well. A number of the week, a color, and a shape. We don't have those yet because the first week we're going to be getting to know the students. I just prepared these two right here. But eventually you'll be able to click there and connect with Miss Marley's class as well, and different activities and things that you can do. So if you have any questions about our virtual classroom, any of these links, like I explained, I didn't click on this for you, but I will show you the information at Country Heights. Get it to click. There we go. So this takes you to the office page. Lots of information here. But you can find everything from my page. Again, if you have any questions, you can send me an email through here or just directly email. and I look forward to our learning this year. Thank you.